Here in front of me, I've got a Humvee. Here is the exact name, M1064 Humvee Tow Missile Carrier. It's in a 1/64 scale and it is from the brand Panzerkampf. Do we know the brand Panzerkampf? Yes, because I did a couple of reviews about Panzerkampf models, and here on the table there is one of them, this beautiful Hind gunship helicopter. Also did a review about the Black Hawk helicopter from Panzerkampf, and I did a couple of reviews about tanks from Panzerkampf, all in a 1/72 scale, and this is the first time they released a model in 1/64 scale. And I hope it's not the last one. Okay, let's have a look at the box. Here we got a picture of the Hummer. Here we got some information. Freeze the frame if you want to read it. Let's open it up. It comes in a very nice display case. Yes, no screw. I like that. That makes it so much easier. Now, the 1/72 scale models from Panzerkampf are made out of plastic, but this one is more die-cast than plastic. Let's have a look. So we got lanced headlights, lots of details here. Do we have some suspension? No, no suspension. Here we have the back, and you can already see it, but we have steering in the back and in the front. AM general here in the middle. Painted rear lights. We got an antenna here on the right. No opening part here, but we do have an opening part in the front. This can move. Rocket launcher. And maybe you can also do this, but I'm not going to do that. This is made out of plastic, so you have to be careful with that. Yes, I was talking about an opening part here in the front. We can see some engine details. This is also made out of metal. So all this is made out of metal. This is made out of plastic. The side mirror, there is some silver. No, it's lanced, I think. No, silver sticker. We do have windows in the side. I like that. Windscreen wipers lying on top of the glass. We got interior. Let's have a look. I hope we can see it. Let's use the other light. Oh, we got some. Hey, that makes me wonder. No, I don't. There is no opening part in the back, but you do see that there are lying missiles in the back. I like that. That's a very good detail. Yeah, this light is maybe a little bit too strong. Yeah, we see a steering wheel. I have to switch to another camera. Okay, we see the steering wheel, not that good. I can't see if it's authentic or not. Oh, yeah, yep. It's a good steering wheel. I hope you can see it. I really like it that they have missiles here in the back. That's a very good detail. Okay, now we go to the best part of the car, in my opinion. Lots of details here. This is made out of plastic, but look at all these details. That is so very well done. And we got some mud on the tires. Yeah, this model is definitely a winner. Hey, look at this. Even have a shovel right here. And an axe. Ah, cool. Very well done, Panzerkampf. I think this is a really good model. Okay, now I've got some other 164 Humvees right here. This is from the brand Master. Yep. Also very good. Here we have a metal base. No steering wheels, but we do have suspension. Oh. But it's not working. But it looks cool. Looks cool. This is also a very good Humvee in a 164. Nice, that spare tire in the back. And if we look at the size, yeah, pretty much the same. Yeah, the details from Panzerkampf are a lot better. But they have that experience because of the plastic models they are making. Here's another one. This is also from the brand Master. Weathered version. Different side mirrors. I think the one from Panzerkampf are more realistic. But with this one, I'm missing the exhaust. Oh no, the exhaust is here on the side. There it is. And here, this is a snorkel. And where is the exhaust? Also on the same spot. Yeah, the size is the same. And then I've got one from Johnny Lightning. This one doesn't have side windows and no side mirrors, but it do has a nice grenade launcher on top. Also like the weathering effect on it, the dust, military police. And you see the one from Panzerkampf is a little bit bigger. Nice metal base from Johnny Lightning with a lot of details. And here we got the front. And this is a 172 model. Military police with a .50 here on top. Also lots of details. Here you can see the CDC armor. No steering wheels. You got some side mirrors. Good interior. Antennas. And here you see the difference in size of 172 and 164. Okay, let me know what you think about the 164 Humvee. And please thumbs up, you really help me with that. Have a nice day. Bye.